Hello, everybody. My name's Paxton, and here's a photo of myself and my kids. They came in for Thanksgiving, and we had a great time. And this is Oak Park, Illinois. I think that's Marion Street. And so I just snapped a photo. Off we went for a walk, and let's talk about this one. This is, a photo anybody could take with them and their family. And there's certain things we're going to do to make it better. And because obviously the story is us, this is the memory we want. Well, I mean, let's face it, the real story is that guy. But we'll let them in the story. Pretty obvious that's the story, but there's some things that distract that don't need to be there. Red light, high contrast on the border, get rid of it. High contrast on the border of the photo, get rid of it. We don't need it. There, we don't need it. We don't need all this jacket space down or the coats. This doesn't add anything to it. Remember, we are making it easy for the viewer to appreciate the photo. And by taking, it's less is more. By taking out extra information, we're clarifying the photo and the subject matter and the intent of it. We could see if we want to keep this or not. That's kind of a question. Is it too much a crop at this level, or is it fine? So that would be interesting to deal with. If we're going to lose stuff on the bottom and the top, we should probably think about chopping the sides off a little bit more, just to tighten it up a bit. We don't need all that extra stuff. We have ourselves, and then the background is a tree-lined street. And the idea is that follow my logic and then go through your photos and apply the same logic, and you'll be amazed at how you can improve your photos. So first of all, I want to get rid of all those jackets, because on the right hand side we can get rid of that high contrast light there. We can get rid on the top, we're going to pull it down, get rid of that red light because our eye's going to go there. Let's just straighten this photo a bit. I feel it's a little crooked. Yeah, we want to straighten it. On the left, I'm just going to get rid of the window, pull that in. You don't need to see that. The big question, I know you're asking, what will I do with that light above my son's head? I think that's good. Look at that. We don't lose the sky, doesn't matter. Like, we know what the sky looks like. And the trees fill up some of that sky, and that's it. Let's call that done. Yeah, that's not bad, right? But this is much more focused, it's much more intentional, and we're removing the prominence of the background, right? So here, the background's got this, it has more space to it. You got a red light, we have these other high contrast lights. We've removed all that, and now the background has less prominence, but very subtly in the background, behind my daughter's head is this tree-lined street, and it looks kind of interesting. But all the extra stuff we've removed. Again, this is a photo, anybody could have taken this of their family, and just look for the things you could remove that help tell your story. And that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.